So this is what's going on out here. I don't even know what time it is. So this is all this snow, all this snow, all this snow, all this snow. It's January 20, what's this, the 25th, Sunday. And this is the snow going down. So I just clean off my car, but it doesn't even make sense to clean it out. Well, kinda, because tomorrow I'm not going to work. I'm working remote, and so hopefully the snow stops tomorrow, and I can come out here and finish clean up. So I'm gonna leave the wipers up, and this is my shovel here that I have in the back of my dog's car. Here, this is part of the game of living in cold weather. You clean your own parking spot, and which quite frankly I'm annoyed with, because I feel like if I'm paying for maintenance, these people should clean the spot, but I digress. Anyway, this is the deal out here. I'm gonna walk down. So this is the whole parking lot, everybody. So I thought you would have stopped, but let me see, I think I need gas. I need gas. I can work with that. Train that's by here. Train is running. I haven't taken one of those in years. Just a second. I haven't taken a train in years. So anyway, this is my parking lot. I left my, oh no, I have it. Alright, I'm thinking I left my glove, my leather glove. Sorry about the noise. I'm trying to run. Okay. Alright. Look at that. This is below the building. Still coming down. Look, this is a mountain of snow over here. This is the gate to come in the parking lot. Yep. I'll just take a little walk out here. And to think, I really don't like the cold. 39 years in this thing, I really don't like it, but here I am walking outside. Walking outside in the cold. It's cold, but it's not, I don't know to explain it. It's cold, but it's bearable cold. I don't know. There's such a thing. Bearable cold. It's probably around, I don't know, 5, 6 o'clock roughly. I don't know. Nobody's really out here. It's just just go up the street up here. I don't usually do this. Usually I'm getting myself ready for work tomorrow, but since I'm not working, I'm working remote. I don't have the day off. I'm just working remote. It's kind of dark, you guys can't see, but all these cars, it's still snowing. I need gas, but I can't wait. That's the gas station by my house. The train station. Anyway, I'm gonna turn back around and go home. Stay. That's the judges. Okay. Look. Oi. Yes, brother. So this is how it is. And this is, oh, this person was slick with the plastic. I forgot to buy the car cover for my car. And the snow is just, it's not that much work, but this is the last one for the year. He's digging out his car, so I'll be going to work tomorrow. All the way down there, you probably can't see. Gotta open that, I don't want it to flood. Oh my gosh, look at this. So, yeah, I know I haven't put up a video in a while, and this is the video. This whole week is supposed to be really, really cold. This whole week is supposed to be cold, so. It's kind of pretty, I ain't gonna lie. It's pretty. It's kind of pretty, the snow. So, this is that's it. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys.